the bomb, they use the gunpowder, bomb shell, they recycle to make the landmines, and the bomb shell to make the sticks for the trap. And this is the bunker before that underground bunker around 5 meters deep underground. Like the US bring them here, they want to make use happier to make tunnels collapse. But the tunnel never collapse, they're very strong. You know, when they're working underground, it's not broken. And now they open that for tourists can see. Open the air, right, and everyone can see that. But before it's not.
It's underground.
Yes, go down, have a look.
So, hivi ndio workshop ilikuwa inakaa hizo masiku. Unaweza ingia ndani. Watu wanagonga. Lights haiko poa sana, lakini unaona vile wanafanya hizi ma shells. So this is M16.
M16.
That's what the guy was saying.
Oh, okay.
He was saying M16. Oi. So. So, hapa hivi kuna mtu alikuwa anataka kulipa kushoot. So tumekuja kuangalia kiasi.
You can buy it with 300 francs. It's not very nice.
Hapa hivi ndio range.
Expensive. You can have
Watu wana shoot.
You can have a license. Yeah, you have a license.
Yeah, so
But you
kuna shooting range.
shoot per years.
Watu wana
If you keep your gun. Keep your guns at home.
nasikia hiyo. Yep, wanalipua.
Yeah,
Wanalipua.
I can use that. So maybe you can use it like that.
Shooters only. So hizi ndio mabunduki. Yeah. Ukiona AK-47. Ndio hiyo. AK-47 M16 carbine K63. Ukiona K63 inakaa hivyo. Alafu RPD M60, yeah.
M16 à?
Yeah. So, hapo unanunua bullets hapo. Ukitaka bullets. Like camera? Yeah. So hapo hivi kuna bullets. Ukiangalia M60 carbine pistol.
I'm thinking M60 machine gun like that.
Vitu mingi ziko.
We don't wear shield. We are recycling all American broken tire. We can use that all around the year. Not feeling hot, easy to get washed. It's better than shoes. And when we walk in, we let the footprint with a
Unajua hizi ndio akala.
shoe.
Yeah, akala wanatengenezea hapa hivi. Wanatuonyesha vile wanatengeneza akala. Unaona?
You can use something like this.
Huku hivi watu wamekuja kuangalia.
And when we make something like this, you understand? When you wear this one, we walk up this way, but the footprint in this size, and have the wrong direction to them. And this one, they know where we are, but this one, they get far from us.
They get
That's very smart, yeah.
See, very simple. Nothing, just tiny for the size. That's it.
Yeah.